Okay. Today's topic is Sanjeevini system of medicine. We will tell more about it. Okay. But I was just, we are talking about the 108 combos. 108 combos का स्पेशलिटी था. 108 कॉम्बो का स्पेशलिटी है कि एनी सर बोल रहे थे, इट इज वेरी ट्रू. हर एक का स्पेशलिस्ट उसको बनाया. बिकॉज जम थेरेपी का स्पेशलिस्ट उसके अंदर जम थेरेपी में बनाया. एक्यूपंक्चर वाला एक्यूपंक्चर का टीम जो है एक्यूपंक्चर का ऐड किया. होम्योपैथी का द बेस्ट होम्योपैथिक रेमेडीज जो है उसके अंदर ऐड किया. और नारायणी का तो वैसा ही है. इट इज एवरीबडी नोज इट. सो 108 कॉम्बोज दे आर वेरी एक्सलेंट, सुपर. क्योंकि अगर आपको उसी के उसी को लेकर के मैंने लास्ट टाइम एक जीरो टू हीरो ऐसा एक मैंने वीडियो बनाया ताकि क्विकली यू कैन मास्टर दी वाइब्रोनिक्स. कि उसके अंदर 108 कॉम्बो में देर इज अ इंडेक्स, डिसीज इंडेक्स. You go to the disease index and go to the a number like CC number. For example, autoimmune disorder, it is 12.4. So सामान आजकल का जमाना इतना एडवांस्ड है कि चैट जीपीटी एंड इवन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का जमाना है. एवरीबडी विल कम टू यू विथ अ पक्का डायग्नोसिस. ठीक है. तो उसके लिए तो सेट ऑफ व्हाट इज द डायग्नोसिस? ए लेबलिंग ऑफ अ डिसीज फॉर अ सेट ऑफ सिम्टम्स. क्योंकि इसीलिए होम्योपैथी के अंदर होम्योपैथी के अंदर देर इज नो एनी डिसीज, ओनली सिम्टम्स. क्योंकि सेम सिम्टम अलग अलग डिसीज में आ सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वोमिटिंग एंड लूज मोशन, दे आर एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ऑल द डिसीज. कोई भी पॉइजन हुआ तो आवर बॉडी ट्राई टू थ्रो इट आउट थ्रू वोमिटिंग और अ लूज मोशन कि नहीं चाहिए करके. सो लूज मोशन एंड जो वोमिटिंग इज नॉट अ डिसीज, इट इज अ इफेक्ट ऑफ सो मेनी डिफरेंट थिंग्स. ओके ना. इसलिए अलग अलग से सोच करके विचार करके देन हम उसको करना चाहिए. ओके. और हम ये कह रहे थे कि अगर आपको श्री राम जी कहते हैं कि मेरे को जेम थेरेपी नहीं, बैच फ्लावर रेमेडी चाहिए फॉर अस्थमा. सर मेरे को बैच फ्लावर रेमेडी चाहिए अस्थमा के लिए, कौन सा लेना है? तो go to the same, go to 108 combo, go to the that asthma, that is all 18 numbers, 18 not 18, all are respiratory system is governed by which number? 19. yes, 19 में जाइए और देखिए कि अस्थमा कौन सा वाला ठीक करता है. एंड गो देयर एंड यू चेक द बैच रेमेडीज. what are the batch remedies added in asthma? so those are the remedy for asthma. कई लोग आते हैं, हमारे पास भी आते हैं, वो लोग बोलते हैं मेरे को सिर्फ बैच फ्लावर रेमेडी से ठीक होना है. मेरे एक बार हुआ था लास्ट व्हेन आई वाज इन दिल्ली. वन पर्सन वांटेड टू बिकम ऑल राइट ओनली विथ एक्यूप्रेशर. मेरे को ओनली एक्यूप्रेशर करना, उसी से ठीक होना है करके. तो इसीलिए दैट इज देयर चॉइस. पेशेंट का चॉइस रहता है कि मुझे यही चाहिए. दैट टाइम व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, गो टू द 108 कॉम्बो. एंड बाय द टाइम मैं जब तक बोलता रहता हूँ, आप लोग सब डाउनलोड करिए. आई सेंड यू वन बुक, संजीवनी बुक आई सेंट यू. दैट इज 108 कॉम्बो. आई हैव सेंट यू जस्ट नाउ टुडेज टॉपिक, दैट इज संजीवनी सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन. ओके, आप उसको डाउनलोड करके यू कैन make a printout and keep it. Very very useful. Prabhuji, it works on the basis of our Sankhya Yoga. सांख्य योग क्या करता है? पंच महाभूतास एंड पंच प्राणास, उसी के ऊपर ये संजीवनी सिस्टम काम करता है. सो वी विल स्टडी दैट, है ना. एंड बेस्ड ऑन our chakras, Muladhara, Swajisthana, Manipura, heart chakra. Like that, we can think कि कौन सा चक्रा का एक फंक्शन है जो ये प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है. वन सेकेंड प्लीज. ओके, पेशेंट आया मिस होके मिस टाइम में आया, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, वेयर दिस बुक आई ऑलरेडी सेंड यू. एंड ये बहुत 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 चमत्कारी किताब है. ये चमत्कारी सिस्टम है.
Not yet received.
यस,
In the group, we have not seen that book, sir.
जस्ट नाउ टुडे ओनली, नाउ ओनली आई हैव शेयर्ड इट जस्ट नाउ.
Okay.
स्टार्ट काम सर आया नहीं है सर.
आ गया होगा, देखिए ये आ रहा है, थोड़ा घूम फिर के आ रहा है.
लाभा है.
हाँ, ठीक है ना. दिस
Now it is available.
Access are not there.
ओके. सो हम कहाँ थे? यस, तो जीरो टू हीरो दैट इज देयर इन द 108 कॉम्बो. वही है कि which meridian you are to use. So उसमें as प्रभु जी said rightly that every specialist has made 108 combo. मैं 108 कॉम्बो के पीछे बहुत पड़ा था. डिजिटल वाइब्रॉनिक में उसी चीज के लिए बना. आई जस्ट वांटेड कि मैं पहले क्या करता था, पहले बहुत बनाया हमने. मेरा पास 10 कार्ड का मशीन है. मेरे को एक एक सीसी कॉम्बोज बनाने के लिए कितना 2-3 घंटा लगता था पहले. उसको अवॉइड करने के लिए हमने क्या किया, ये मेरे लिए बनाया. हमने बोला हाउ कैन वी रिप्रेजेंट द सेम कार्ड इनटू डिजिटल फॉर्मेट. वो डिजिटल में बनाया. नाउ यू सी विद इन 5 to 10 minutes, मैक्सिमम 20 minutes. वो भी उसके सामने बैठने का जरूरत नहीं है. क्लिक इट, it will give you the entire thing. And I'm very happy that people are getting very good result, because this concept is given in Jan Combe's website. Jan Combe बोलता है कि Jan Combe is our भगवान in the vibronics. So he says that how can we represent a geometrical pattern for a healing. So now that's what, like that only, even geometrical pattern can be produced by card, by dial, by music system, and even you can even produce it through your thought waves also. But उतना वो आप, you have to have that capacity होता है. किसी को नहीं है. You should, one should not underestimate them. Like batch flower remedies, you just take the name of that batch flower remedy, it works. So like that, even we have seen so many other things are working like that. So today's topic is this Sanjeevini system of medicine. This is invented by Dr. Paranjpe, and I met his own grandson who is there in Belgaum very long back. I might have contacted him 25 years before, more than that. So he is a very kind fellow. He is an MBBS doctor, and but he is practicing the Sanjeevini system of medicine made by his grandfather. What are these actually? He has identified the herbs which works on the our chakras, Panchamahabhutas. I told you this is basically based on the Sankhya Yoga. Sankhya system, if you don't know, definitely you can just what do you call explore it. Okay, so like a Panchamahabhutas. All this these are basics of Sankhya Yoga is Panchamahabhuta. We are made up of 5 element. So once I heard Harmit Madam and Prabhuji was talking about this Panchamahabhutas. We should work on that like that, I overheard. हाँ कि हाँ कुछ कुछ कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में. Yes, you are very correct, very correct. But in this one we have a direct hit. मतलब उसके लिए उसी के लिए readily available है. Okay, but you क्या होता है ना कि these are, if all these numbers from the Yan Combe can cure everything, then why do you explore a new thing? क्योंकि आपको पता है कि गधा, घोड़ा और so many other animals, they has a specific purpose, and sometimes mule also. So घोड़े का जो ऊपर के काम बैठ के काम करने वाला है वो गधे के ऊपर बैठ के काम नहीं कर सकते. जो गधे के ऊपर बैठ करके जो आपको काम करने का है वो घोड़े के ऊपर नहीं कर सकते. मीन्स आई मीन टू से गधा घोड़ा that has got a specific purpose. So when you want to explore this with Sanjeevani system, you have to work with the 5 element theory. एंड मैंने देखा है कि इसके अंदर भी बहुत अच्छे अच्छे, क्योंकि ओरिजिनल जिसका हमने क्या किया है, दीज आर ऑल अवेलेबल. दीज आर ऑल अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन का शॉप है, उसमें मेडिसिन आर वेरी ब्यूटिफुल इन नेम. प्रथम निष्पत्ति, द्वितीय निष्पत्ति, तृतीय निष्पत्ति, like that. They are all निष्पत्तिस working on tattvas, prithvi tattva, jala tattva, and teja tattva, and there are so many, like electropathy, that's electricities. Here also they have prana remedies and the other remedies. We will study this. Okay, it is a background, and this is a very very wonderfully designed, because in this book it is explained how they are going to get these herbs. They used to go to that particular मुहूर्त में जा करके herbs का कौन सा राशि है, कौन सा नक्षत्र है, every nakshatra has different plants. उनको अगर ये पर्टिकुलर प्लांट कौन सा नक्षत्र के ऊपर आता है, वो जा करके उसको पूजा करके आप हमारे लिए, हमारे इसके लिए क्या बोलते हैं, ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए आपका मदद चाहिए करके बेग करके रिक्वेस्ट करके उसका हर्ब लेके आते, एंड दे आर potentized in the form of homeopathic remedy. They are given in the form of sugar pills. Like Vibronics, we have got a permission to give the sugar pills. Like that, they are also given in the sugar pills potentized form. है ना? So Ayurvedic specific remedies, but उन्होंने openly ये नहीं किया, openly disclose नहीं किया कि प्रथम निष्पत्ति का रेमेडी किस प्लांट से बना है. They are not done it, but some other exploration, there are some scientific papers based on this Sanjeevini system. Even it is working excellently for the plant also, agriculture purpose also. Okay, एंड वी हमने काम तो कर दिया है. काम क्या कर दिया है? all the Sanjeevini system of medicine are converted into vibronic rate, radionic rate, है ना? So all combinations also they converted, and sometimes लगता है कि मुझे इसको यूज करना है. अदरवाइज व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू पुट इन हाफ सर्कल, राइट ए डिफरेंट like acupuncture, batch flower remedy, or Narani mixtures, or you can say Soham mixtures. What to give like that? You write in a half circle, operate the pendulum. There you will be able to उसका वाइब्रेशन, उनका जो है एनर्जी किससे मैच हो रहा है वो हमें इजीली पता चलेगा. सो दैट वी कैन गो फॉर दैट टाइप ऑफ रेमेडी. एक्यूपंक्चर जाना है ऑल थ्रू वाइब्रोनिक्स ओनली. Because acupuncture ko nowadays they have again put some restriction in Maharashtra. You have to be a doctor to do the acupuncture. पहले तो दे रही है सबको, but अभी as I came to know, one of the person or a candidate from there, they want again restrict. But here with a God's grace, everything we can make through vibration. And I have told many times, because future of vibronics is very bright. Why? Because in homeopathy they are going to stop all the remedies made by poison. वो चल रहा है, FDA में उसका बातें चल रहा है. They already new concept डाल दिया. Because you can say in homeopathy there are more than 60-70% are all poisonous only. उनको दुकान बंद करना पड़ेगा और दे हैव टू डिपेंड ऑन द वाइब्रोनिक रेमेडी. आगे होने वाला है, अगर बाय चांस अगर होम्योपैथी को सत्यानाश करने का उनका मन हुआ तो दे विल, वंस दे डू इट, देन ओनली वाइब्रोनिक्स और थॉट्स फॉर्म में जो भी हम दे रहे, बिकॉज वी डोंट यूज एनी पॉइजनस थिंग्स और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. ये पक्का होम्योपैथ्स को इसमें आना ही पड़ेगा. That's what I'm telling you. You are all future generation healer. ठीक है ना सर? So we be proud of it, and we'll start the Sanjeevan system of medicine. That is what Sanjeevan system of medicine. Do not confuse with the card system, Sanjeevini system. It is not the Sanjeevini system.
Sir, can we get this book, sir, on online?
Already shared with you
Sir, it is-
PDF.
Sir, what you shared, it is only 25 pages, sir.
Huh?
Only 25 pages are there.
That is only.
Okay.
It is at 25 pages only.
Okay, okay.
Hello. ಹೌದು. ಸ್ವರ್ಣ, ಇದಾರೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಬರ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳತ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ there are two remedies. Kachasan, like Kachasan, Pachasan, like that. They are a combination of this Sanjeevini system. They are very, very useful for hair fall. Hair fall के लिए पक्का famous medicine है ये. And even there is a even cream also. They have a Nibanjan cream. Very, very fragrance, बहुत अच्छा है. So if you can get somewhere, you can take that specifically for your use. Very nice, very beautiful, very excellent result. Okay. Let me read a few words from this book. Sanjeevan system, it is a unique system of medicine practiced since the beginning of the century, based on the principle of ancient texts in India like Vedas, Upanishad, Gita and Sankhyas. One finds the system, philosophy and science in the medical and the practical terms. Mankind today is under the constant vibration of disease and illness, so such that he has forgotten the nature state of health, natural state of health. The reason for this are many, but cure lies in the collaborating, the consciously acting on the divine forces in the universe and ourselves. Okay, so it is a divine system based on our Vedas, Upanishads, and our Sankhyas. Okay, and beautifully well explained that it's very interesting. Like Indian, you have seen Indian symbol. Yes, Indian symbol. You see in the black the symbol there will be a white dot.
White dot.
Yes, and in a white dot, white symbol, in a white symbol there will be a black dot.
Yes.
That means that shows that some portion of yin will be there in the yang and some
Yang will be
yang
there.
portion will be there in the yin.
In.
In the similar way, so Pancha Mahabhutas, how we are made up of the Pancha Mahabhutas.
They're in the earphone of here.
Pancha Mahabhutas. So main Mahabhuta is half of that, and rest all are in the small one fourth quantity, one fourth portion of the other one. So that is I think this is a theoretical part. You can go through what I shared with you. Now let us come to there are so many in this also Ghatana Shakti, Samhara Shakti, like Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, they compare with all energy. Brahma energy is creating energy, and Vishnu energy is maintenance force, and Shiva Shakti is the destruction force. These are always, these threes will be running in our body. It doesn't mean that when we die, that time only that Shiva Shakti will come into action. No. Every time, one creating force will be there, one maintenance force will be there, and one destruction force will be there. Any of these, if they do not work in balance, it will create the problem, it will create the disease. Okay, so likewise we have to work on these to maintain the health. And there are main Mahabhutas, Pancha Mahabhutas. What are the Pancha Mahabhutas? Akasha Mahabhuta, Vayu Mahabhuta, Teja Mahabhuta, Jala Mahabhuta, and Prithvi Mahabhuta. And we are why I am attracted to this Sanjeevini system of medicine, because our boss has already done the job. Like, if you want to, Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, and Vijnanamaya Kosha, Anandamaya Kosha, these are all already there in our, no need to derive a new numbers. No need to derive the new numbers.
Oh, very good.
Already it is there. Already it is there in our materia medica, numerical materia medica. But here, if you want to see Annamaya Kosha, if you study in the depth Sankhya Yoga, then you can treat on based on that. Manomaya Kosha, you can say mind is, if it is disturbed, or you can say you want to treat the mind, based on that you can go. So Anandamaya Kosha, like that, we have to go in the detail. It is given here. So Akasha Mahabhuta, next is Akasha Mahabhuta's description. Akash Mahabhuta is responsible for formation of the psychological structures of the human being, which are subtle in character, and Jivana Shakti acts on Akasha Mahabhuta, and the following subtle components of the human being are formed: Jivatman, Manas, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankara. हाँ, शंकराचार्य का एक एक गाना है, तो उसको सुनने से ये सारा याद जाएगा। बोलता है कि न न बुद्धि अहं, anybody can help me if you remember. This is called as nirvana mantra. So manas buddhi chitta na ham. No, I am not that. I am not that. But shivoham shivoham. That is a song. है ना? So jivatman, manas, buddhi, chitta, and ahamkara, they are part of akasha mahabhuta. And jivatman, within the jivatman is manas, mind, buddhi is intellect, chitta is consciousness, and ahankara, these are all sankhya. It is available. Even one book by that Patanjali medicine, they are also have one beautiful book based on this Sankhya Shastra. You can study, because that is the true science. We have forgotten. If we study those and try to recover the person through our healing, spiritual healing, other things, that's very fantastic. Okay, Vayu Mahabhuta. And because Vayu Mahabhuta, the action of Jivan Shakti on the Vayu Mahabhuta gives the Pancha Pranas. Pancha Prana. Pancha Prana, you are aware of that Pancha Prana, Udana Prana, Samana Prana. There on that also we have numbers in our numerical materia medica. And Vayu Mahabhuta, because these are all theoretical is there, but when we come to directly the application, it's very easy. You will be feeling ये कहाँ जा रहा है ये philosophy में, है ना? But now comes the chakras, or these arrangement. Mental body responds to gross body in the spinal column of the vertical axis and the center of the chakras. So that chakras are the lotus, usually closed. Chakras are 7 in numbers. Next level is 7 yoga chakras. So we know where all 7 chakras are available. Okay. Muladhara chakra, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi, and Agya and Sahasradala. And we know how many nadis are there? Ida Nadi, Pingala Nadi, and Sushumna Nadi. What is the equivalent in the physiology? Ida Nadi is a parasympathetic system. Please note it, very important. Ida Nadi is parasympathetic system. Pingala Nadi, that is sympathetic nervous system. And Sushumna Nadi is somatic nervous system. Okay. So now, the functioning of Pancha Pranas will be dealt in the details in subsequent chapters. Okay. So, Akasha Tattva, pituitary gland, it governs the pituitary gland. Vayu Tattva, thyroid gland. Subtle Teja is a parathyroid gland. Gross Teja, islets of Langerhans. Jala Tattva is by adrenal glands. Prithvi Tattva by gonads. And again, Jivana Shakti. Akasha is governed by the brain. Vayu is lungs. Subtle Teja is heart. Gross Teja is spleen and liver. And Jala Tattva is kidney, and Prithvi is gonads. Okay. And human body as below are the Akash Tattva is cerebrospinal system fluid. Vayu Tattva means Jala Mahabhuta, what all it covers? Jala Mahabhuta covers the again it has 5 elements. In that one, Jala Mahabhuta, Akasha Jala Mahabhuta is cerebrospinal fluid, and Vayu is synovial fluid, Teja is a digestive enzyme, Jala is blood, Prithvi is lymphatics. And now you have joint pain, knee joint pain, generally classified as Vayu difficulties or Vayu Tattva imbalance. That's what we can resemble with here with that actually. And Prithvi Mahabhuta, again it has 5 element in that. Akasha is neuron, Vayu is nerve, Teja is endocrine gland, digestive gland and the muscles, Jala is blood cells, Prithvi is bone, teeth and hair, nails and cartilage. Means this I already sent you this book. You can go in detail, because why I'm interested in this is based on our Veda, the Upanishads and the Sankhyas. This is a true science which we have forgotten. If you can perceive this to a healing, that will be a great help. Anyway, there is a one more chart here. So, which Mahabhuta governs what? Shabda. I will tell you one simple thing. That Akasha Mahabhuta. Akasha Mahabhuta has the Antakaranas, Jivatman, Manas, Buddhi, Chitta, Ankara, and Vayu, Chakra, Vishuddhi, Anahata, Manipura, and Swadhisthana, and Muladhara. Like that, they have classified. It's a very beautiful this one. And Akasha is governed by the speech organ. Vayu is by hands. Teja is by legs. Jala is by rectum and bladder. Prithvi is by genital organs. It's governed by karmendriyas and jnanendriyas are there. So, I'll tell once again because I feel it is interesting. Akasha Tattva Indriya is ear and sound. Vayu Tattva Jnanendriya is skin and touch. Teja Tattva is Jnanendriya is eyes and sight. Jala Tattva Jnanendriya is tongue and taste. And Prithvi Tattva's Jnanendriya is nose and smell, and Karmendriya who is already there. So, ये पूरा स्टोरी करने के बाद इसका रेमेडीज आर वेरी सिंपल. सो ये आप बाद में बोलेंगे इतना सब कुछ क्यों बोलने का जरूरत था, ऐसा बोलेंगे, है ना. सो रियली बट क्या है ना, बोलना पड़ता है भाई, क्योंकि हमें कभी क्या है ना, अपना जो सीख रहा है उसको कभी हमने कम नहीं समझना चाहिए. हम सोचना चाहिए वो बहुत बड़ा दीड पंडित है, बहुत महापंडित है. वट एवर आई से ही विल पक्का एब्जॉर्ब एंड ही विल टेक दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग इनटू फॉरवर्ड. ये सोचना ही चाहिए. आई कांट नहीं तो क्या होगा कि जो रियल आगे जाकर के कुछ बनने वाला है उसको हम रोक देंगे, है ना. दैट्स इट सर. नेक्स्ट, चक्र, prana and tattva. Vishuddhi chakra governs Vayu prana, Vyana prana and Akasha tattva. See, this is a very beautiful thing. It is this in this book, it is already there. Means we should know what tattva governs the what chakra. है ना. Vishuddhi chakra, Vyana prana, Akasha tattva. Anahata chakra, prana, Vayu tattva. Suppose you want to chakra Anahata chakra. Anahata chakra is a heart chakra. Heart chakra you want to treat. Then what you do? Prana that is available in our book. Use prana number. Already derived है. यान कॉम्बे साहब ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. Already it is there. So Vayu tattva is also there. It governs Vayu tattva. Manipura chakra is Udana prana. Teja tattva. It is governs Teja tattva. And Swadhisthana chakra, Samana prana and Jala tattva. And you can, pranas. So based on that also you can work on the system. Suppose someone, Priti tattva, Muladhara, Apana Vayu. you generally say that when we get इरेक्टेशंस, डकार जो आता है ना, तो बोलता है कि इसको बोलते थे अपाना वायु से मतलब टैकल करने से ठीक होता है. सो प्राण क्रिया ऑफ आकाश तत्व like that are there, then we will come to see different कि कौन सी तत्व प्रीडोमिनेंट है, बेस्ड ऑन दैट चक्र डिसाइड होता है. I mean तत्व डिसाइड होता है. One person, for example, I will tell you, when a lean and thin person, they are all Teja Tattva and the Akasha Tattva body. जो fat, जो obese and fat, they are mainly Swadhisthana chakra and Prithvi chakra predominant. Earth element predominant are generally obese in nature. So on that basis, we can think about it. Now let us come to the direct shot. Like, 0 to hero, we are also want to become a hero here. We'll see what are the problem of Prithvi Tattva. With Prithvi Tattva, what all the problems arise? That's very important. Weak digestion, fullness of stomach, vomiting undigested food, vomiting
Sir,
acid.
page number, sir, page number.
Page number 42. Blotting of the abdomen, pain in the abdomen, feeling heaviness in the lethargy in the abdomen, muscular pain because of weakness in the muscles, disturbance in the lymphatic system, skin condition, scabies, pyoderma, foul smelling in the body odor, thick
Sir.
coating of the tongue and gums, mental fatigue and lethargy. These are all there in the Prithvi Tattva disturbing remedies. So simple. For Prithvi Tattva, what Sanjeevini system will work? Sanjeevini system is a Pratama Nishpatti.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Which books you are reading? You send some PDF that on, or you have? Is it the same books?
Yes, it is the same book.
We have only 25 pages.
No problem. That is a mainly because 42 number might be there in that. Is
Sir,
it
no,
there?
sir. Sir, no, sir. That page is not there.
Okay, I will make once again and give you. No problem.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, fine.
So they, according to the chakras, or you can say according to the tattvas, 5 Pancha Mahabhutas and Pancha Tattvas, they have distributed the disease. Anyway, this audio will be very useful for you. Like in Prithvi Tattva and Mooladhara Chakra, Pratama Nishpatti will work. For Pratama Nishpatti, we have a radionic rate, vibronic rate. Second is Jala Tattva. What are the Jala Tattva disturbances in our body? Tastelessness, dryness of the mouth, decreased salivation, swollen, painful gums, sore throat, upper respiratory disturbances, congestion of the eyes and burning sensation in the eyes and feet. ये बहुत कंप्लेंट आता है. क्या आता है? बर्निंग आईज एंड फीट्स. हम दूसरे जगह देखेंगे बहुत सारा सल्फर, वो फास्फोरस ये देते रहते. बट दिस इज द डिस्टर्बेंस ऑफ जल तत्व. सो फॉर दिस व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? द्वितीय निष्पत्ति. सिंपल. Okay, so increased body temperature, alteration in the urination, burning, maturation, excessive thirst, fever and chills, palpitation, headache, swelling of the joint, inflammation of the renal tissue, inflammation of the liver, squeezing cramps like pain in the legs, cellulitis, furunculosis, and mental state of short-tempered and eccentric. So beautiful it is. ये सब के लिए दिस इज गवर्ड बाय जला. जला का स्पेशलिटी क्या है? नॉट स्टेबल, गोइंग हियर एंड देयर. यू कैन थिंक अबाउट इट. नॉट स्टेबल. पृथ्वी इज स्टेबल. लाइक दैट it even works on all these urinary organs and even in the short temperedness and the eccentric, पागलपन के लिए भी थोड़ा काम करता है, that is jala mahabhuta, means that is jala tattva. And what is the remedy? That is dvitiya nishpatti. See, in this book it is already there. I have made the, see, can you see? For Pratama Nishpatti, I derived the number. For a Dvitiya Nishpatti, I derived the number. So, you have to, for all the Jala Tattva disturbances, you can use Dvitiya Nishpatti. And in the Teja Tattva is, what are the, if the disturbance in the Teja Tattva, what all the symptoms will come? Headache, giddiness, vertigo, vomiting of the bile, and bile means the yellow color vomiting, and loose motion, hard stool, burning sensation of the body, redness and yellowness of the eyes, like dryness of the mouth with a bitter taste, scanty burning maturation and high colored urine, enlargement and the tenderness of the liver, urticaria, rashes, fever and delirious, jaundice, loss of appetite, emaciated, pale and anemic, enlargement of the spleen, increased temperature of the head, cold extremity, a subnatural ejaculation. Patient turns critical with a very high exhaustion and stupor and coma. ये सब चीज के लिए Tejama Tattva, if disturbed, these are the symptom, and the remedy is Tritiya Nishpatti. And these are already number is there. That vibronic code for the Tritiya Nishpatti is 71097942. 710942 is the base 336 number. Okay. Next is disturbances, that is a Tritiya Nishpatti. From 1 to 14 gross teja is mainly disturbed in this condition. Along with the Tritiya Nishpatti, it is necessary to give the Pratama Nishpatti, because this some portion of the Pratama Nishpatti and the Teja Tattva, they are combined. They have common symptoms in nature. So they are telling, along with the Tritiya Nishpatti, it is necessary to give the Pratama Nishpatti. Means you have to give the earth element also. For earth element also. And whereas the condition for 15 to 20 subtle Teja primarily disturbed, in these conditions, Dvitiya Nishpatti is very, very useful along with the Tritiya Nishpatti. Where conditions of 15 to 20 subtle Teja primarily disturbed, means it can be combined with the Prithvi Tattva and also the Jala Tattva. So Teja Tattva medicine you can give either with the Pratama Nishpatti or Dvitiya Nishpatti. Nothing to worry, ज़्यादा घबराना नहीं. Pratama Nishpatti is for the earth element, Dvitiya Nishpatti is for Jala Tattva, and Tritiya Nishpatti is for fire Tattva. And fire उसका सारा क्या क्या है आपको पता है. आपको आजकल तो वैसे ही है, वो खुद लोग आ जाते हैं आपके पास. वो अपना ही मेरे को लगता है कि पृथ्वी तत्व मेरा गड़बड़ हो गया करके ही लोग आते हैं. सो उनको डोंट वरी, है ना. सो नेक्स्ट इज डिस्टर्बेंस इन द वायु तत्व. Disturbance of Vayu Tattva. What are the Vayu Tattva disturbance? What are the symptoms? Neurological pain, restlessness, neurological burning sensation, tingling, numbness, asthma, eczema, allied skin disease conditions, behavioral changes like irritability, like to be left alone, disturbed sleep, hemiplegia, altered state of consciousness, convulsion. Altered state of consciousness मतलब delirious state, वो पता नहीं क्या क्या बोलता रहता है. In such condition also, these are Vayu Tattva disturbances. So Vayu Tattva disturbances, what is the remedy? Fourth Nishpatti. Chaturtha Nishpatti. Sanjeevini Chikitsa medicine Tattva disturbance is the Chaturtha Nishpatti. Very, very, very beautiful. I think so many people are expert in finding out what Tattva is disturbed. आराम से पता चल सकेगा अगर हीट हुआ है ज्यादा, बॉडी में हीट ज्यादा है तो तेज तत्व डोमिनेटेड है, और किसी को पृथ्वी तत्व डोमिनेटेड है, हैवीनेस है, मूव करने का मन नहीं करता, लाइक दैट सो मेनी थिंग्स वी कैन थिंक अबाउट इट, एंड बुक वट एवर आई गिवन इट इज देयर, अदरवाइज मिसिंग पेज है तो वो भी मैं दे दूंगा, ठीक है, बिकॉज जो मेन क्रिस्प चीज है वो मैंने दे चुका है, जो एडिशनल है जो आपको बोर लगेगा वो नहीं है उसमें, ठीक है ना। सो टोटल निष्पत्ति मेडिसिन है प्रथम निष्पत्ति, द्वितीय निष्पत्ति, तृतीय निष्पत्ति, चतुर्थ निष्पत्ति, पंचम निष्पत्ति, षष्ठ निष्पत्ति, सप्तम, अष्टम and तृतीय B. Total 9 निष्पत्तिज are there. Prathama Nishpatti, again we go, because we studied the tattvas, disturbance of the tattva, then we come to the Prathama Nishpatti. Prathama Nishpatti is a basic matter of the body. This medicine must for all building body substances, formation, activity. Main uses of the Prathama Nishpatti is, it is also action of Anna Rasa Kriya. It can be given to the individual for all the age group, irrespective of disturbance. This is a remedy which plays an important role in the preventive medicine by adding Karya Shakti in eliminating the disease factor. Like what we studied in the yesterday, means previous class, like electrohomeopathy, there we used to give S1. If you give S1, 90% of the problem will be solved. That is the theory. So here, like that, they are telling at first moment you give Prathama Nishpatti. So Prathama Nishpatti if you give, it will clear lot many, Anna Rasa Kriya, it will clear everything, and mainly it will be disturbed. So maximum things, even in Ayurveda they say problems are created by stomach only, digestive system. Digestion ठीक नहीं है तो पूरा सब गड़बड़ होता है. For that, like that only, in the Sanjeevini system of medicine, they give Prathama Nishpatti for all digestive disturbances. It is for non-digestion, loss of appetite, flatulence, dyspepsia, gastric acidity, over all heartburn, inguinal hernia, and prolapses of rectum and uterus. As we saw, it works on the rectum and the digestive system. Okay. So next is Dvitiya Nishpatti. Is prepared from the herb called Divya. They are not disclosed that what Divya is. What is the botanical name of Divya is, they are not found, they are not informed. So I have taken the original medicine and derived the rate. So I no need to know what is there inside the Prathama Nishpatti. So I can definitely produce that Prathama Nishpatti in the vibronic form. Okay. Now Dvitiya Nishpatti is Kriya Shakti. Please. So constitutional basis of the name, Dvitiya Nishpatti helps in transportation of nutrients and removal of, that Dvitiya Nishpatti works on the Swadhisthana Chakra. Swadhisthana Chakra governs the kidney and the ureter or bladder or anything. It means excretion system, like removing the toxin substance from our body. It is also, you can say, detox. It does a detoxification. So Dvitiya Nishpatti is specially for that. Dvitiya Nishpatti, it governs the Rasa Tattva and accept the impurities thrown from the Rasa of the Vayu Tattva and Teja Tattva for excretion. And this medicine increases the blood supply to the inflamed part of the body, and it also means any Jala Tattva, it governs the Jala Tattva, so it approaches every part of our body to get the healing done. Main uses of Dvitiya Nishpatti are the combination that is used in with the other combination of the remedy, mainly for a circulatory system, excretory system, and certain condition of the nervous system. See, Jala Tattva, it is governs the Dvitiya Nishpatti governs the Jala Tattva. Jala Tattva in Ayurvedic concept, even blood is also a Jala Tattva only. Even circulation also is a Jala Tattva only. So likewise, Dvitiya Nishpatti works on even excretory system also, and even the circulatory system also. And Tritiya Nishpatti is prepared with the herb Nandi Vriksha. This medicine is the same as the character of the features of the Kriya Shakti of Teja Tattva, and we have already seen Tritiya Nishpatti works on the Teja Tattva. So acts on Rasa Jala Tattva and converts into Rasa of Teja Tattva, and Rasa of Teja Tattva then is given to the Vayu Tattva for further action, and the impurities of the Vayu Tattva are accepted and given to the Jala Tattva for elimination. The main function of this remedy is to carry on the metabolism. आप एक देख सकते हैं कि where it can be used. So to metabolize the nutritions and or you can say endocrine glands also you can call. So hence the Kriya Shakti of this tattva is disturbed. A person generally feels weak, loss of energy, sluggish function of the body because it governs the Teja tattva. Tritiya Nishpatti also acts on the digestive juices since these three governed by the Teja tattva. And one more thing, like we use in Narayani mixture when you use the Sufi and also use the Soham digestion, also use the acidity like that. Here also you can combine Teja Tattva and Pratama Nishpatti, Dvitiya Nishpatti, Tritiya Nishpatti. You can combine according to the requirement. Okay. So now Chaturtha Nishpatti we saw that it is governs the Teja Tattva. Chaturtha Nishpatti is the medicine prepared from the herb Shrifal. This is the same characters features of that Kriya Shakti of Vayu Tattva and strengthen its in the Prakriti medicine the type 4 constitution. This Nishpatti takes up the rasa of the Teja Tattva and converts it into rasa of the Vayu Tattva, and rasa of the Vayu Tattva is end product of the rasa kriya is called as Dhyana Rasa. Chaturtha Nishpatti is useful for all the brain and nervous system disorder. Sri Ram sir, brain and Chaturtha Nishpatti is useful for all the nervous system and the brain disorder.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
So,
how can
next.
how can we get that particular in this book, sir?
Yeah, it is. You see, there is even a repertory also. There is at the end, I have given. In that one, it is there. For what all the disease, what Nishpatti to be mixed and given. It's already there.
Okay.
This is in 25 pages.
Okay, sir. For that, how can we choose by this Metra Medica?
Metria Medica is not there.
Okay.
I have derived all those numbers.
Okay, you have.
Nishpatti I have derived. It is
Okay.
there in the one of the page.
So it is not yet there.
It is not there in the numerical Metria Medica. It's
Yes,
not
sir.
part of numerical.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
सर जी अभी आप जो पढ़ रहे हो उसके स्क्रीनशॉट्स दे दीजिए ना.
ऑलरेडी दे चुके हैं.
ये वाला जो पढ़ रहे हो.
हाँ, ऑलरेडी दे हैं और भी कंप्लीट दे देंगे.
ओके.
ओके सर. ओके सर.
ठीक है, लेकिन अभी ये आपको क्यों पढ़ के बताना है कि ये हमारे किताब में है.
हाँ.
आपको कान में पढ़ने के लिए है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Only for Chaturtha Nishpatti is for Chaturnispatti for the neurological nervous system. And next is Panchamanishpati. Fourth, Panchamanishpati is independently is very useful in the case of bedwetting in the children, useful for urinary urgency and increased frequency of urination. Panchamanishpati, useful for bedwetting, urgency and the urinary problem. Okay. Nadu, next is Shashta Nishpatti. Sixth Nishpatti is useful in the premature ejaculation and nectorial ejaculation, useful for sterility and spermaturia. Involuntary discharge of semen without the orgasm. So that is Shastama Nishpatti, especially for a men remedy. Shasta Nishpatti is prepared from the Grita Kumari and it is supported medicine for all the basic Prakriti remedy. Saptama Nishpatti, because they think that if this area is blank, for this area we can use this. So they have decided one of the Nishpatti. Okay. Basically, main four Nishpatti only, which are governing the Panchamahabhutas. Next is Shashta Nishpatti ho gaya. Saptama Nishpatti is mainly for skin disease. Very nice, Like our mixture number 21 series all works on the skin. Like that, here Saptama Nishpatti works on the skin. I have, got a very good result from the Saptama Nishpatti. People used to ask me again and again. So, Saptama Nishpatti, and here you can use the 3x potency. Then Ashtama Nishpatti. Ashtama Nishpatti is basically for all the bites, stinges and bites. Okay. Snake bite, scorpion bite, of course, snake bite we are not supposed to handle because it is immediately you should tell them to approach the government hospital because a legal action required for that. So you should tell them to any snake bite, you should immediately tell them to approach to this one. It is because this Sanjeevini system invented in the 18th century. So that time nobody was there to help them. So that was given. Okay. Next is the Ashtama Nishpatti, useful for all stinges and bites. And कोई कुत्ता काटता है, कुत्ता चाटता है, वो भी आप वहां ले सकते हैं जिसके घर में ज्यादा कुत्ता रहता है. So that वो काट दिया नहीं, just a chat भी दिया तो you may think that there is an infection, so you can use that. And I know every dog is already vaccinated, but yes, still you can take extra precaution. Then Tritiya B Nishpatti. It's main used for the fever and compression over the liver and spleen. This is used specially for the external application. आपको पता है, in the electropathy, yesterday we talked that F1 is for internally taking and F2 for the external application. Like that only here, Tritiya Nishpatti is for internally for fever and Tritiya Nishpatti B, because it covers the Teja Tattva. For that, in the fever, we can use the Tritiya Nishpatti B. And there are Vidyut remedies. Like, in electropathy, there were the, what is they call? They call electricities. Blue electricity, red electricity, like that. They have also in the Sanjeevini system also, there are 5 electricities. So they call as the Vidyut remedies. Vidyut remedies, they have seen earlier the Prana Kriya belongs to sphere of the Vayu Tattva. Vayu belongs to the Vayu, being the subtle Mahabhuta, is manifest has been understood by its positive and negative aspect of action. We have also seen earlier that Prana originate in the Sarastra Dala. it descends to the Ajna Chakra, then Vishuddhi Chakra, then Prana, Pancha Prana. Like that, see how, as per the theory, first is that Sahasra Chakra, from there it descends. Okay, then Vishuddhi Chakra, Ajna Chakra, Vishuddhi Chakra becomes Pancha Prana. These five pranas act in the five tattvas and carry Prana Kriya, ya discussed earlier. The medicine which strengthens and aids the Prana Kriya are called as Vidyut remedies. What is the Vidyut remedies? Which are the correcting the Prana Kriya of the system. The medicine which strengthen the aids the Prana Kriya are called the Vidyut remedies. Jyotishmati is prepared, mainly uses the cools the system, heat produced in the any part of the body, also burning pain, useful in the increase heat in the scalp, burning feet and eyes. Jyotishmati can be used. Jyotishmati, you can recognize that burning eyes also. Jyoti. You can say, you can think about that, any uh, heat excessiveness in that also it can be used. Children's, yes, children useful in the mud eating also. Jyotishmati helps in the removing the habit of mud eating also. It also helps in curing rickets, because in homeopathy, what we think, when they take the mud and chalk they eat, it is as good as they are calcium deficiency. We think in that way. So calcarea phos is one of the remedy. So similar way in the Sanjeevini system of medicine, Jyotishmati is used. It helps in ricket and also useful in the muscular tone condition like prolapses of uterus and prolapses of rectum, direct hernia, hemiplegia and paraplegia. This is a very nervous, nice thing for even for all sort of paralysis. Suprabha. Suprabha is a next Vidyut remedy. This Vidyut remedy useful locally for the sore throat, piles, headache, vertigo, and the vomiting, dry cough in the chest, dysentery, severe pain anywhere, muscles catch and cramps, mumps, tubercular lymphadenitis, and inflammatory condition. Harmit madam, you were asking other day, there is some tubercular glandular infection. Somebody has,
Yes.
one of
Yes.
one of our patients
Lymph.
had that.
What? Yeah, lymph deep something.
Ah,
Lymph.
for that, you can use this Suprabha.
Okay.
Suprabha number is, already I have derived all the numbers. Suprabha number is 442969. 442969 is Suprabha. Suprabha
Kahan? Where is this number written?
it is there in the whichever I have shared with you in 25 pages.
Okay, 22 pages. 25.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So next
Okay.
is Suprabha. Next is Yoga Bhavini. And it is even good for gum bleeding also. What is that? Suprabha is even gum bleeding and even lymphadenitis and inflammatory condition also. It will be helpful. Yoga Bhavini is specially for all the respiratory tract, cough and other thing. Useful in the congestion and respiratory tract and lungs. It plays an important part of the treatment of the unconsciousness, meningitis and delirious, and these conditions it should be used as a compress, the vortex to the lower cervical spines. Use kariye. Next is further Yoga Bhavini is for respiratory system. These are all Vidyut remedies. Like electricities, they are Vidyut remedies. Saudamini. Saudamini is useful in arthritis, swelling joints and the osteomyelitis. Especially for all rheumatic arthritis you can use. and it can be used for certain skin disease like also carbuncle, furunculus, ulcers, scabies, and infection of the scalp and eczema, oozing skin condition. Also, you can use. And the last remedy is Chapala. Chapala is useful for infection, inflammation of swelling of the poliomyelitis, hemiplegia, malignant condition, drowsiness, and hiccups. And Chapala is useful for cases where, of the fever, cold resulting from the cycle changes, like change of weather. In such condition also you can use the Chapala. ये हम आपको ये बोल रहे हैं कि हम इतना सारा क्यों चाहिए. मैं आपका क्या बोलता है, आपको पता है ना कि when in why what you called war, we need a different what you call ammunitions for a fighting. अगर कौन सा रहेगा तो कैसे फाइट करना. इफ यू वांट टू यूज द adhyatmic remedies, or you can say that in that one I want to give you all the ammunitions. You try, you give whichever you find it is suitable. हो सकता है कि अगर आपको क्यों देना है, instead of finding the new rate and new thing, you use a new ammunition. बोला हाँ इससे क्यों नहीं ट्राई कर सकते. अगर उसमें फीवर ठीक नहीं हो रहा है तो उसके अंदर नहीं हो रहा है तो we will let us work on the spiritual science, which is one the Sankhya Yoga. Use the Chapala and see whether that is going or not. Like that, I want to provide you more ammunition for
ಅಸ್ತ್ರಗಳು ಅಸ್ತ್ರಗಳು
Yes. Okay, na? So likewise. So you should be able to tell. And next topic, I think so today or tomorrow, that's also easy topic. I will tell you gem therapy.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Gem therapy, because these are already there, it is very easily we can recognize, but it's a fantastic therapy. I used it. I will tell you tomorrow when I'm talking about it. The beauty of gem therapy.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
So next is Chapala ho gaya. Chapala is used for again for special some fever condition, and the Chapala medicine is made from the Sevya. It strengthens the Vayu Prana, Akasha Tattva, and Chapala mainly maintains the different spaces of the body and removes any obstruction to flow of the different prana, kriya, and rasa kriya. Chapala is given with the other Vidyut remedies, enhances the action of these remedies. It should not be used in combination with the Jyotishmati. ये देख लीजिए भाई, Jyotishmati and this one, they are opposite in nature. So not to be used with that, but can be used after about 2 hours of the using. आपको चाहिए use करना ही है. Don't use it together, but you can use after 2 hours. So Jyotishmati can be used for cool down the system, create and balance. It acts like any because Jyotishmati is basically works on the fire element for that reason. So it acts on the abnormal accumulation of the substance fluid anywhere in the body. When do you use the Chapala? When there is a swelling, है ना. तो ये सारा मैंने नेक्स्ट रेमेडीज के अंदर हमने आपको पूरा थेराप्टिक्स दे दिया, सो दैट नो नीड टू, बट स्टिल आपको चाहिए. There are combinations of the remedies like that CC combo. They have also made a CC combos remedies. Like Pachasan they have done. Pachasan is for digestion. So what they have added? They have added Pachasan. They have added Pratama Nishpatti and Chaturtha Nishpatti.
Okay.
So, but I have derived direct number for Pachasan also. Pachasan is 4789 47899.
Sir.
This is already there, Sri Ram sir. This is already there in my old website. That is vibronic.tripod.com. These rates are already there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you have seen the electrohomeopathic rate there in the vibronic.tripod.com.
Ah,
Here below that,
hmm.
these that Sanjeevini system
Okay.
vibronic rates are there since last 25 years.
Okay. I will check, sir.
Yes. Okay,
ಸರ್
sir.
ಒಂದು
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಈಗ ನೀವೇನು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಪಿ ಡಿ ಎಫ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಓದ್ತಿರೋ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು. ಹಲೋ
ಓಕೆ
ಸರ್, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ
ಓಕೆ
ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಅದ್ ನೋಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ.
ಅದ ನೀವು ಅನ್ನಮಯ ಕೋಶ, ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಕೋಶ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ವೆರಾಸ್ ದ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಮೆಡಿಸಿನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಇದು ತನಕ ಏನು ಓದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಆ ಪಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಡಿ ಎಫ್
ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಂತೆ.
ಸರ್.
But ಈಗ 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 ಅದೇನು 25 ಪೇಜ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
ಹಾ
Amit ji was asking which book it is. There is in the Amit sir, there is a Sanjeevini system of medicine clinic in the Maruti Gali, Khade Bazaar, Maruti Gali. There is a Dr. Paranjpe. His grandfather wrote this book. I don't know. That time only he was very old. Probably he might be some more old. So this book is available with that person. I purchased from that fellow, and all the remedies, Sanjeevini remedies, are available in Maruti, just opposite to the Maruti temple in the Khade Bazaar,
Okay.
Maruti Gali.
Okay.
That is available. This is the Sanjeevini system of medicine made by the originator is Dr. Paranjpe. There, I think so, his name is Gaonkar. It is there only. You can just, if you go
I'll
to
note
the
down.
Maruti temple, I will guide you. Just
Okay.
four shops, just you go to right side. This book is available.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Sanjeevani medicine.
Sanjeevan system of medicine. It is called as Sanjeevan system of medicine, and these numbers are already there in the website. I already put into the Vibronic codes, already put since last 25 years. Okay. And
Dr. Paranjape.
yes, Tejasa is there, and so Samvahana is there. Samvahana means that repeated acute inflammation, chronic inflammation of tonsillitis, chronic rhinitis, DNS, sinusitis, and otitis. For everything, Samvahana is used. Okay, and Shwasana Prabha is for all. Shwasana Prabha is for all Shwasa condition, like all breathing problems. So this can be used. Shwasana Prabha, what is there is only 3-digit number, 468. So this I found out very long back. So it is as it is, it can be used, or you can find out the new rate. And Shodhana is for, again, Shodhana number is 157899. Used for the pure blood purification. It is mainly used for eliminating these foreign substances from the body, and normally eliminated through the excretory system like urine, sweat, and spleen and feces. It used in the mild persisting fever, and Shodhana is used in the other medicine like a skin disorder also.
ಡಿಟಾಕ್ಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್.
Yes. Ojas.
ಸರ್ ಸುಪ್ರಭಾ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು ಸರ್?
Suprabha number 468. 468.
ಸರ್ ನೀವು
ನನ್ನ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ 2969 ಏನೋ 6 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದಾ? ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
And Shodhana is done. So Ojasa, I think so. If it is there, it is fine. Otherwise, I will give you.
Yes sir. Yes.
Xeroxed one, and you just leave everything. There are, by whatever is there, reading is of no use. you go to this the therapeutic index. If that is the problem, and you can use that particular remedy. Let me check whether everything is there or not.
Okay, sir.
This is a very good and independent that healing system. You
Okay,
can
sir.
definitely,
Hmm.
I think so. Respiratory part I have already given you,
Hmm.
and I will give you the radionic rate also. You can go through, and you
Yes.
know you go through. If you get any other doubts and all,
Hmm.
and we will clear this in next any
Okay, sir.
class. This is a simple thing because this is another healing system like it is very simpler than the electrohomeopathy,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and they have given directly also. For this, what is to give?
Ah.
Like Dharendu. Dharendu is a combination of Pratama Nishpatti, Dvitiya Nishpatti, Shashta Nishpatti, and Yoga Bhavini, and
Hmm.
used for respiratory problem. And Shishu Sanjeevini. Shishu Sanjeevini, they are using Pratama Nishpatti, Dvitiya Nishpatti, Shashta Nishpatti, fourth Nishpatti, and Yoga Bhavini. Like that. And they are using different dilution also. Like homeopathy, these are the Ayurvedic remedies used in the homeopathic form. For this, I got very much interest in this. So I am just shared with you the details.
ಸರ್ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಕಳಿಸಿದ PDF ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
Okay, we'll do that. Let me check.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
So I'm just going through the whatever I sent you.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್.
Ah. Sanjeevani Chikitsa introduction is there. Yes, sir. Whatever I have told now, it is available in the
No, sir, please.
in the this 25 pages.
ಸರ್
This is
ಎಂಡ್
25. This is 25 into 2, I think so. I will just check once again.
ಸರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ತನಕ ಹೋಗಿ ಸರ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ.
ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Mahabhutas, these are all there because which was a boring and theoretical part is all there in this.
ಸರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಸರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು
I'll check. Yes. Okay, it is not there. I will share with you.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
I think so. There is another PDF also.
ಯಾ ಮೇ ಬಿ.
I will share that also.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್.
So we will end today our class today because this was more of a practical approach than the theoretical because theory all this Sankhya is a very big topic, Sankhya Shastra, and we try to use it by shortcut methods. Okay, for that I think so. There was another this also I will share with you. And it was there in the drive. So
Hare
all the
Krishna.
numbers
Sir,
are there.
we will get any Excel
Okay.
where all the numbers of average rate we
Yeah,
will
it is
get?
there in the website, sir. We will see that website otherwise here.
Can
We
you
will
share
see
the
that
website link so that
we'll see. This is a very old website. Vibronicsindia.tripod.com. In the section, this is my website only. You have to go to the rate, radionic rate online. Radionic rate online. You see, first you find the electrohomeopathic rate, the old list. Now next is this is a Sanjeevini system. Whatever I talked now are this only. It is tallying with whatever I was telling you. Pratama Nishpatti, Dvitiya Nishpatti, Tritiya Nishpatti, B Nishpatti, Chaturtha Nishpatti, Panchama Nishpatti, Shashta, Saptama, Ashtama, like that. Jyotishmati, Suprabha, Yoga Bhavini, Chapala, Saudamini, Dama special. This is a combination remedy. I find it working very good
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
for some
ಅದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸರ್
problem.
ಸರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲೈನ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಕೋರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಗಳದ್ದು ಏನು ಓದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದೇ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂಚೂರು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Yes, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay,
So
sir.
this is the available.
Yes,
You
sir.
can once download ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು.
Yes, sir.
All this Sanjeevani system you
Sir,
can.
vibranisindia.typepad.com sir.
ಹೌದು.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
And I started with this. There is a online rate generator also.
Okay.
Like some people are using my mantra software. In that one you can generate the rate. Here also you can generate the rate.
Okay.
You can write whatever your intention. After writing the intention, just generate, click the generate number. So you can use that also for the as a radionic rate.
But ಯಾರ ಮಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ ನಾವು ಅದು ಮಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಹೌದು, ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಷಿನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು.
Yes, sir.
These are the acupuncture TCM rates, TCM herbal remedy rates.
Okay, sir. Okay,
If
sir.
someone is knowing about this, they can also use.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wonderful, sir.
So
सर इतना कुछ याद कैसे रहेगा?
किताब दे करके याद करना है, याद नहीं करना है, क्योंकि इसीलिए अगर याद करना होता तो मेरे सारे एग्जामिनेशन क्लोज्ड बुक होता. अभी ये ओपन बुक है.
बट सर पता तो होना चाहिए कि मुझे कौन सी बुक को खोल के देखना है. उसके लिए भी तो पहले याद करना पड़ेगा ना कि इस बुक के अंदर मटेरियल
करना पड़ेगा ये करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि
तो एक काम करें, ओपन बुक के साथ में आपको ओपन बिठा दूंगा साथ में. आप बताते ना रोहित ये बुक खोलता जाए, मैं इस बुक को खोल कर डालता रहूंगा.
बिल्कुल. यस, नो प्रॉब्लम. आई एम विथ यू ऑल द टाइम, नॉट टू वरी. वेदर आफ्टर क्लास आल्सो और जब तक भी एनी डिफिकल्ट केसेस है तब भी वी आर विथ यू.
थैंक यू.
आई विल गाइड यू.
आज मैंने एक ग्रुप में से मैसेज डाला था कि अगर किसी को एक्यूट एसिडिटी का प्रॉब्लम रहता है तो क्या सीसी कॉम्बो में कोई एक्यूट एसिडिटी का है क्या, कि सिर्फ उसको इंडाइजेशन वाले से ही हमें ठीक करना पड़ेगा उसको?
वो उसका 4.10 है ना उसके लिए एसिडिटी.
4.10.
हाँ,
ठीक है.
देखिए 4.10 है या 4.4 है.
देखता हूँ मैं एक बार.
सूफी भी तो है.
नहीं, सूफी है, लेकिन ही इज आस्किंग इन सीसी कॉम्बो.
4.1
That is 4.1 is a digestion tonic.
Digestion मस्त है.
For belching, everything is
ಇಂಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಸಿಡಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
acidity भी आता है.
Yes, sir. 4.10.
And liver gallbladder भी.
4.1
लीवर गॉल ब्लैडर, इंडाइजेशन, लीवर गॉल ब्लैडर
15.
काम
Yes,
किया
yes,
मैंने.
yes, yes, correct.
And digestion balance वो सब करो तो ठीक हो जाता.
नहीं, वही 4.1 is that only. 4.1
Best.
की आपको पक्का रटना चाहिए. 1.1 is animal and plant. 2.1 is a cancer. 3.1 is a blood circulation and this one. 4 is a digestion. 5 is a ear. 6 is a endocrine. 7 is a eyes. 8 is a female organs. 9 is the chikungunya and the other thing. 10 is a emergency and like a emergency medicine and miasm. And 11 is what is 11? 11 is a urinary problem.
Head,
12
sir.
is 12 is a general
Immune system.
immune system. 12.4 is even that is called autoimmune disorder. 13 is an urinary kidney
bladder.
and urinary system. 14 is a male system. 15 is a mind. 16 is the again
Yes.
Miasm.
miasm or something like that. 17 is the throat and the fever and other thing it covers. 18 is a nervous system. 19 is the
Respiratory.
lungs and the respiratory system. 20 is the locomotor system, or you can say joint and
Skeletal muscle.
muscle and skeletal system. 21 is a
Skin.
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 21 you have to
Skin.
remember.
Sir,
इस तरह से पक्का टक 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 करके याद रखना
Ananta Govinda Alma, like that.
ಸರ್
है ना
ತುಂಬಾ ಡ್ರೈ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಯಾವ್ದು ಆ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಇಂದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ ಅದನ್ನ
हाँ
ವೆರಿ
पूरा
ಮಚ್
skin का
ಡ್ರೈ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ
हम्म
ಆ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಕಾಂಬೋ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಸರ್
हाँ स्किन प्रॉब्लम के लिए स्किन यूज कर सकते हैं स्किन सी ऑल वन नंबर
vitamin E
13.1 for
vitamin E
example I'll
also
tell you 2.1 is a again cancer general remedy 3.1 is a heart tonic
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
4.1 is a digestive tonic 5.1 is a ear tonic 6.1 नहीं है because उसमें हाइपर एंड डायबिटीज है 7 is a 7.1 is a eye tonic 8.1 is a female tonic 9.1 is a that is the recuperation means from if someone
from
suffered
any illness.
ರಿಜುವಿನೇಟ್
Yes,
10 and 11
recuperation.
11 लीजिए 11 is what
ಹೆಡ್
huh?
ಹೆಡ್
11 is hair
ಹಾ
11 is a hair sorry last time I think I missed it 11 is a hair like in migraine headache and
Hair tonic,
head
yes,
fall
sir.
they are all mean comes under 11 12 is the immune system and the general tonic 13 is a urinary system 14 is a male organ 15 is a mind 16 is the miasm and 17 is the throat and the even memory also there in the brain and 18 is a nervous system nervous 18.1 is a nervous tonic 19.1 is a lungs tonic 21.1 is a one joint tonic and 21 is a skin tonic
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
that's it
With vitamin E.
yes you can use that additionally you can add
Yes.
anything to it
सर जी
yes
वो
sir
ब्रेन के ऊपर आपको लेना पड़ेगा
आपको
उसमें
ब्रेन के ऊपर
बहुत
नहीं
अच्छा
मैं और एक चीज आपको बोलना चाहता हूं
हाँ
आप देखिए कि you are all doing very well I think you should in the nada paramanada brahma you should share whatever the success you are achieved you must share so that it will be useful for others you are
टेस्टिमोनियल
doing
बोल
very
के एक
very
ग्रुप
wonders
तैयार कर दो
wonders हमारा
सर जी टेस्टिमोनियल बोल के ग्रुप बना दो सबका लेट देम ऑल शेयर द
नहीं
टेस्टिमोनियल्स
दिस ग्रुप इज फॉर टेस्टिमोनियल्स ओनली आप लोग
ओके
फालतू का बातें करते हैं फालतू का चीजें करते हैं दिस इज बेसिकली फॉर शेयरिंग योर टेस्टिमोनियल्स ओनली बनाया
ओके
वो कोई फॉरवर्डेड मैसेज के लिए नहीं बनाया मैं कितने बार रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं डोंट यूज द फॉरवर्डेड मैसेज को इधर यूज मत करिए यूज गिव योर वेरी स्मॉल भी अगर छोटा सा भी अगर कोई भी आपने क्योर किया कुछ चमत्कार किया तो शेयर करिए उसको यस
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
yes sir yeah you are doing very well sir ji you have done a very good website nice thing very good let
Thank you.
your let this vibronics through sound spread the whole world same thing yes our boss also has done all the same thing only but
Yes, sir.
it's very fantastic
Yes,
many
sir.
people are because आपको एक चमत्कार बताता हूं
हाँ सर
चमत्कार यही है कि कोई भी आपको म्यूजिकल पीस को लेट बी एनी म्यूजिकल पीस ऑफ म्यूजिक भगवान को रिक्वेस्ट करो या सुपर नेचुरल पावर को रिक्वेस्ट करो कि इस म्यूजिक के अंदर फलाना फलाना क्वालिटी भर दो, तो वो भर आ जाता है.
ओके ओके.
How many are don't believe this? And how many believe this?
आई बिलीव सर.
Very
We all
nice.
believe, sir ji.
Very good. So एक
सर इसमें कोई डाउट ही
पीटर
नहीं है.
पीटर चैपल करके एक महान व्यक्ति था. वो साउथ अफ्रीका में ऑन दी एड्स के ऊपर काम करता था. साउथ अफ्रीका में उसका नाम क्या था? पीटर चैपल. उसने क्या किया कि ही यूज्ड टू मेक अ पीसी रेमडीज. उसका नाम से ही बनाया पीसी रेमडी. पीसी रेमडी कैसे बनाया? मैंने उसको पीछे पढ़ के अरे बोल भाई कैसे बनाता है, इसको प्लीज बताओ, अदरवाइज तुम्हारे साथ ये चला जाएगा. हाउ यू मेक दिस, प्लीज बोलो बोलो करके उसके पीछे पढ़ के पता चला कि ही राइट्स इन ए पेपर. एक पेपर A4 साइज के पेपर में लिख के रखता हो मुझे क्या क्या चाहिए, किस क्या इस सिम्टम्स क्या है. उसके ऊपर एक जो है ना पिल्स का बॉटल या अल्कोहल का बॉटल वो पेपर के ऊपर रख देता है एंड आफ्टर ही गिव्स इट लीव्स इट फॉर 21 days. उसके बाद वो समझता है कि इस बॉटल के अंदर जो भी पेपर के अंदर लिखा था वो सारा आ चुका. एंड he uses that pills, that to not directly उसका एक दो pills डाल करके पानी में डाल करके यूज करता है. What it is nothing but the intention डाला हुआ remedy.
Thought
This is
infusing.
what we have already registered to the government, say that we are giving thought infused water. He was doing thought infused water only. उससे वो सक्सेस लाया है. तो ये only Prabhakar is not doing. Many people they have done. उसका प्रभाकर ने कॉपी किया है. मैं बोल रहा हूं ना कि
Okay.
मैं जो अच्छे चीज है ना उसको कॉपी करता हूं मैं.
या.
हाँ, तो क्या होगा कि उसके पीछे मेरे को होमवर्क करने का जरूरत नहीं है.
Yes.
इसी तरह परमानाद ब्रह्म वाले जो भी जितने भी है, यू आर प्रोड्यूसिंग द म्यूजिक विथ इंटेंशन. क्या इंटेंशन डाल रहे हैं? Sometime you are adding the intention of the batch flower remedy, sometime using the some other remedy. Use करके you are deriving that particular, you are deriving the rate, you are deriving the music.
Yes.
Mr. Peter Chappell or Dr. Peter Chappell also did the same thing. उसका कैंसर म्यूजिक है, कैंसर का म्यूजिक. उसके अंदर क्या है? ओनली एक ट्रम्पेट का साउंड है. इवन ही प्रोड्यूस द कोरोना के पीरियड में कोरोना को हटाने के लिए ही प्रोड्यूस द म्यूजिक. उस म्यूजिक के अंदर कुछ भी नहीं है, ओनली ट्रम्पेट लाइक दैट. सम ट्रम्पेट का साउंड है. ही हैज पुट द इंटेंशन इनटू द ट्रम्पेट. बोलेगा जो इस म्यूजिक को सुनेगा उसको ये पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम ठीक होना है करके इंटेंस थॉट से उसको वो म्यूजिक के भर दिया उसने. सो यू आर ऑल्सो, बिकॉज उसका जो बना हुआ जो मेथड था ना, इट वॉज वेरी रॉ, नॉट दैट रिफाइंड लाइक व्हाट यू आर डूइंग.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
सो नाउ आप म्यूजिकल नोट्स को आगे पीछे हिला रहे टक 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 करके विथ योर इंटेंशन. वो इंटेंशन, वो म्यूजिकल नोट्स कैसे हिल रहा है? इट इज प्रोड्यूसिंग द ज्योमेट्री, इट इज प्रोड्यूसिंग द ज्योमेट्रिकल स्ट्रक्चर. एक ब्रेन के ऊपर रिसर्च कर रहा है अनिर्बान बंडोपाध्याय. अगर किसी को टाइम मिला तो उसका देखना यूट्यूब, नैनो ब्रेन, अनिर्बान बंडोपाध्याय. He talks about like a Paramanada Brahma only. Paramanada Brahma में क्या होता है? We are changing the note to produce the geometrical pattern produced in the brain. He is telling that everything, whatever we listen, is converted into a geometrical pattern and that is understood by our brain. There is
Okay.
no any comment. सब शांत हो गया.
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि
Fine.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सुन के।
अच्छा लग रहा है.
Yes,
अच्छा
sir.
लग रहा है कि get this pattern, that musical pattern creates the geometrical pattern inside the brain and it recognizes.
Yes, and heals.
It is what called, this is what by the Dr.
पीसी।
पीसी का खत्म हो गया, पीसी से हम आगे निकल गए.
आगे निकल गए। क्या नाम था उनका? अजीब नाम है।
अनिर्बाण बंडोपाध्याय.
Bhandoppadhyay.
Yes.
हाँ,
इज ही
अनिर्बाण
बंगाली?
बंडोपाध्याय, उसका पढ़िए, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है.
हाँ,
यही सुर के बारे में ही बोलता है.
अच्छा।
This exactly he talks about the geometric, making the geometrical pattern with the help of musical notes. जो हम किया उसी के बारे में बोलता है वो.
Yes, sir.
मतलब he is a brain scientist. He worked in the artificial brain. He's made the artificial brain. उसने हमारे लैंग्वेज में बोल रहा है, इसका मतलब हम भी थोड़ा लेवल में पहुंच रहे हैं उनके.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, है ना?
Yes. So
Okay,
नाಳೆ
why I am telling this is you are all in the right path. You are all in the correct path. Only
sir.
intention works, but we are using intention with logic.
with logic and with scientific way.
Yes. तो हमने डिजिटल वाइब्रोनिक कैसे बनाया? Digital vibronic, I told you the story of digital vibronic.
Yes, sir. Yes,
I
sir.
got one machine in the buyback and I checked. उसके अंदर मैं बोला था कि very busy homeopath of the Mumbai has very successfully worked for 5 years. हमने देखा कि उसके अंदर क्या टेक्नोलॉजी है. देखा कि ब्यूटीफुल सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया. सॉफ्टवेयर इतना मस्त बनाया कि यू कांट इमेजिन. ब्यूटीफुल बनाया. बनाने के बाद ओके, सल्फर 30 पोटेंसी, एक प्रोग्रेस बार जाएगा. आफ्टर प्रोग्रेस बार टिंग 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 टिंग, रेमेडी मेड, ऐसा बोलेगा. देन आफ्टर दैट आई सीन वट एवर द कनेक्शन, अंदर कोई कनेक्शन, मशीन के अंदर कनेक्शन ही नहीं है. ओनली विथ योर ब्रेन, विथ योर
Intention.
माइंड इट इज वर्किंग. देन मैं बोला भाई सिर्फ माइंड ही इतना पावरफुल काम कर रहा है, why not to add the data along with some coming and going, and like I added a data of that particular remedy also. Data in the format of what? Data in the format of geometry, MGA, magneto-geometrical application form, geometric form, pattern form. We added when you make a remedy in the digital vibronic, you get a number there, है ना? ये नंबर नहीं आता उधर. that ये pattern is generated, but for आपको दिखने के लिए हमने नंबर डिस्प्ले किया, but inside we get a pattern, like like in a card, how do we get a pattern? And very soon I am going to introduce to you all, that is base 336 cards. They are checking हो रहा है. होने के बाद, because he has put in a website but he could not complete it, our boss. So we want to take it forward with a little bit of alteration so that he should not conflict with the what you call the copyrights. So we have changed, we put a Om in the center, we made our own cards, but with his guidance we are going forward. Okay, why I am telling you all this is, आप लोग बहुत अच्छे लाइन में हैं, यू आर डूइंग फैंटास्टिक. व्हाट, लेकिन रियलाइज करिए, व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इज डन बाय द वर्ल्ड साइंटिस्ट कर रहे हैं वो. सो यू आर ऑल्सो, यू कैन बी प्राउड ऑफ योर सेल्फ. सो डू मैनी मिराकल्स, वो आप शेयर करिए, सो दैट इट विल बी ए वेरी गुड encouragement to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes,
Is
sir.
there any doubt, sir?
No, sir. As
सर
of now,
ये बेस्ट फ्लोर जो रेमेडी है, ये आपका कार्ड में मिला है, इसका कोई एक्सेल फाइल है क्या?
किसका सर?
बेस्ट फ्लोर रेमेडी.
बैच फ्लो रेमेडी का हमको एक ऑल एक ही जगह में मिलेगा ना हमारा यान कॉम्बे का बुक में।
यान
यान
कॉम्बे
कॉम्बे
का
का बुक में बैच 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 से स्टार्टिंग है, सारा है एक ही जगह में।
सर आई एम नॉट गेटिंग सर
नाद बना हुआ है,
हाँ
नाद
सब
में भी
म्यूजिक
है,
भी है।
वैसे भी है यान कॉम्बे की न्यूमेरिकल मैथमेटिका में ऑल स्टार्टिंग विद द बैच, ऑल आर
बी
देयर।
बी
And you have already shared the Excel file also, sir.
Excel file also you have shared.
No, you have
You
shared,
have
sir.
shared it, yes.
You have shared, sir.
Okay,
ओके
that is
एंड
also there.
So
वाइल
एक बार
दी
और
Yuvan
भेज दो
list is
ना।
there.
कार्ड्स भी है, कार्ड्स
ये संजीवनी में कहाँ से मिलेगा?
कार्ड्स में
Ironic